We convene here at a time of crisis, a time when yet again we are facing the threat of widespread global hunger and food insecurity. When we see daily the devastating impacts of climate change, with those who bear no responsibility for the causes being most affected. When we have witnessed the most blatant disregard for international law and for the UN Charter on my own home continent of Europe. When much of the progress that we were making towards achieving these sustainable development goals has stalled or gone into reverse as we grapple with the continued effects of the COVID-19 pandemic. It does not have to be this way. It is not our systems or our structures, nor our treaties or charters that are fundamentally failing us. It is the lack of political will to implement and to uphold them. At times, we've also been deeply frustrated by the Security Council's failure to act. A year ago, I stood before you and spoke of our ambition for the Council to adopt a resolution on climate and security. Along with Niger, we worked tirelessly to craft a resolution that reflected the reality that climate change is increasingly driving insecurity and acting as a threat multiplier. We challenged the Council to take on its responsibilities to address the impact of climate change on international peace and security. 113 countries, 113 of the members of this Assembly supported us in our efforts. One country, Russia, vetoed these efforts. It frankly beggars belief that in 2022, the UN body charged with the maintenance of peace and security has still not taken on its responsibilities in this area. It is a singular failure of political will and political responsibility.